Hello my friend, on this video I will show you how to replace the hand manual pump on our diesel engine. You are on the Mercedes W126 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. Why we must change that hand pump? Well, because it leaks a lot. It's a very common problem on these engines. You will notice that most W123 and W126 diesel, they all got that same pump. And very often when you unscrew it and you want to pump it, it starts leaking all over the place. So we'll have to change it. It's much better to replace it with some kind of new one like this one, which don't give any problems. So right now I will show you what's happening with the pump. Where this pump is located? Well, look, here we've got a few lines. We've got the injector pump that's here, and it's located right here. You see that white top? That's what it is. So when we try to pump it, it leaks all over the place. I will try to show you something very close up. To remove it, I'm not too sure if you'll be able to see with all those cables, those holes, but you will use a spanner of 24 and you will clip it at the base. So there's very little space, but you should be able to fit it. And you will have very little space to play with. But basically you turn it and it should come. Yes. See? And now we can take it off. You see, it's quite a simple job. Here we go. Wow, and it's falling apart. It's falling apart completely. Once the hand pump is removed, we're gonna be ready to place the new one. So it's delivered like this. We got a cap here that we're gonna remove, and that's it. We're gonna be ready to fit it in. Just be careful because we've got a copper ring. And we have to obviously to remove the old one that's fitted on the car. Okay, this one gets fitted with a spanner of 17, and make sure you tighten well. Of course, as usual, I will place the different part numbers. So like that, if you need to buy one, you will have it. The new pump is now fitted. So we try it up to make sure there's no leak. We can see that the fuel is moving here, so we know it works, and there's no leak whatsoever. Perfect. As you have seen, it's a quick job. It's very cheap to replace, and we don't even need a special tool to do it. It's done in 5 minutes. This is the old hand pump that we have, which has a lot of play. It broke here at the end, so that's why it's important to change it, because we don't want air to come into the system. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.